All right, let's see what we're getting into. Pump setup, bypass, check valves, modular media. Okay, a little rainy today. Today's liner replacement. And looks like there's no groundwater. Hayward light, deep end lounger. All right. Cool, walk around. Lazy lounger. All right. And this pool is filling off a fire hydrant. All right. Now we're come walking back into the pool area here, and as you can see, we have a new liner. And we're filling with the fire hydrant. We've already got 2 feet of water in the pool, roughly. Not too shabby. Plenty of water. Nice little jobby. Nice little jobby. Beautiful. I think this was the Brilliant Bahama liner with the border. And these lazy loungers, no fun, no fun. I'm glad the new pools don't have these anymore, that's for sure. But, all right, that's the end of this video. Steve got a pool. As always, everybody, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And, I don't know, have a good day, have a good night. Leave a comment, say hello, all that good stuff.